In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data, managing a project, or simply trying to keep track of personal information, being able to add a column in your Google Sheets is a fundamental skill. By the end of this guide, you'll have the step-by-step knowledge needed to insert columns effortlessly and keep everything organized. So, let's get started. First things first. You're going to want to navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Sheets website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your Google account, as this will allow you to access your documents and make any necessary changes. If you're not signed in, you'll see a prompt. Simply enter your Google account credentials and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Once signed in, you'll see the Google Sheets dashboard. Now, you'll need to select the spreadsheet you want to modify. Click on the file, and it will open up in a new tab. You'll see your data spread across various columns and rows, similar to a traditional spreadsheet program. This is where you can begin to make your edits. Next, direct your attention to the headers at the top of your spreadsheet. These are typically identified by letters A, B, C, and so on. To insert a new column, hover your mouse pointer over the vertical line that separates the columns where you'd like to add the new one. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see a double line indicator. Once you see this, right-click to bring up a menu. Here, you'll see several options. Look for the prompt that says Insert one column left and click on it. By selecting this, a new column will be inserted to the left of your current position, shifting everything else over to accommodate the new space. You can now enter any data or information you need into this newly created column. And just like that, you've successfully added a column in Google Sheets. This flexible feature ensures that when your data changes, it can easily accommodate new information. Keep in mind, you can repeat these steps as many times as necessary across different spreadsheets or columns. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, giving you the confidence to manage your spreadsheets efficiently. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in Google Sheets and other tools. Happy organizing!